Welcome to the full course online. Uninstalling programs is important when you no longer need them or if they slow down your computer. Windows 11 gives you different ways to do this, and I'll show you 3 easy methods. The first method is using the Settings app. To do this, open the Start menu and go to Settings, or simply press the Windows key and the letter I together. In the Settings window, select Apps from the left panel, then click on Installed Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all installed programs. You can use the search box to quickly find the one you want to remove. Once you find it, click the 3 dots next to the app and choose Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. The second method is through the control panel. You can open it by pressing Windows key and S to search, then typing Control Panel. Open it and click on Programs, then select Programs and Features. Here, you'll find a list of all installed software. Scroll through or search for the program you want to remove, right-click the application, and choose Uninstall or Change. And the program will be removed. If the app has its own uninstaller, just follow the on-screen instructions, and the program will be removed. The third and fastest way is by using the Start menu. Simply click the Start button, find the app you want from the All App list, right-click it, and select Uninstall. Windows will uninstall it immediately. In some cases, the program will not be uninstalled here and you will be taken to the Settings page, and from there you can select to uninstall the program. And that's it. You've learned 3 easy ways to uninstall programs in Windows 11. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.